Hello, beautiful people. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil Primer. I have a trial version because I didn't want to buy the full size, but I will be buying the full size because it is such a great primer. It's an ultralight, fast-absorbing face oil, cruelty-free, non-comedogenic, which means it will not cause acne, and under your not concealer, but your foundation will give you a radiant look with a dewy finish. So I decided to get the trial version to try it out. It's an ultra lightweight, fast-absorbing facial oil. Works for a primer to prep skin for flawless makeup application. Contains 15 lipid-rich plant extracts and essential oils, including moisturizing jojoba, calming chamomile. It reduces the appearance of dry, fine lines while strengthening skin's barrier. And it creates a dewy, radiant, youthful look complexion. Non-comedogenic and dermatologist-tested. So I'm just going to put a little on my hand here so you can see what the texture is like. That's the oil. This is a pretty tiny bottle, but like I said, I'm going to upgrade and buy the full size. So it's just this really nice, it smells nice, it smells like chamomile. It's calming. It's a really nice product to use under your makeup so that you do have that shiny, dewy finish. I know a lot of people like matte. I like to have more of a dewy finish to my skin. So this is perfect for that, and it's a great face primer. I've used other face primers in the past and found them to be too drying, so it would actually make my makeup cake up. This is like butter. It's like you'd be running your concealer over butter. Actually, I want to put some of my cuticle oils because, or the oil in my cuticles because it's so nice. So yeah, I just tried. I tried a trial of it. I'm going to be buying the full size, and the full size is not super expensive. It's a good price, and it's on sale online. So I highly recommend this product. I think that if you like that dewy, nice finish and you want moisturized skin, this Smashbox Photo Finish Oil Primer is the way to go. I'm gonna have to give it 5 stars out of 5 stars. It's done everything that it's promised, and I like the way my skin looks after I put my foundation on over it. It's nice and dewy, makes you look younger and just more ethereal and beautiful. If I can achieve that with using a little bit of oil primer, I will do it. So definitely check this out. I like I said, I'm going to be buying the larger amount. I suggest you do the same because it's an awesome primer, especially if you like the dewy look and you like to look young and fresh and not like matte and kind of harsh and cakey. This is more of a product that achieves a look where you look dewy and young and fresh, just fresh face, which is in right now. I don't think it's ever been out actually. actually. Well, you know, a lot of people at one time wanted to always make sure their face is powdered so that they weren't shiny, but it's gone the opposite way, and people actually really like shine now. And it's something that I like. It highlights your face, it highlights your cheekbones. It gives you a really beautiful, radiant look and a healthy glow. So the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil Primer, I'm going to be buying the bigger bottle very soon, but I wanted to try it out first and let you guys know about it. But don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.